What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yegi here. Thank you for coming back, or thank you for watching. For this look, we're gonna go ahead and do a classic natural look just to give her the mascara look. So it just looks like a little bit more than her natural eyelashes, but we want to stick to still a really natural look. So here we go. We're going to start off by using the eyelash foam cleanser, which also removes waterproof makeup, to get rid of any makeup residue or natural body oil she may have before we start the application. This is going to help them last longer and have us a really nice clean surface to start with. And if you might have noticed, we also had her wear a mask because she was a pregnant client, so she could not breathe in any extra glue fumes. And sometimes I get asked, is it okay to take pregnant clients? So I always have them ask their doctor and get permission first. So I wouldn't really take that responsibility to tell them it's okay or it's not okay. They should know better, or their doctor should know better based on their pregnancy. So definitely advise them to consult with their doctor before treating them with eyelash extensions. Now we went ahead and used under eye patches and some tape to hold down the bottom eyelashes, and I do like using this clear tape on top of the white tape just to give myself a really nice smooth surface. So even when anything sticks to the bottom, to the under eye patch, especially for the clients that have straight eyelashes, it's going to be super easy to remove them or kind of peel them off of the clear tape, because when it's stuck on the under eye patch or the white tape, it does get stuck really strong. Next, we're going to grab our premium glue, and we will link all the products below in case you're wondering, because I get asked all the time what I'm using. And remember, classic style is only one eyelash extension per natural eyelash to give it that really nice natural look. So it almost looks like they have mascara on, or they naturally have really nice long curly eyelashes, depending on the sizes you select for this one. And if you want the most natural look, especially for the clients that it's their very first time ever getting eyelash extensions, I do recommend to only do it 2 or 3 millimeters longer than their natural eyelashes. So if you pay attention, these extensions that we selected are literally 2 or 3 millimeters longer than her natural eyelashes for that reason. We are using the Yegi Y1 and Y5 tweezers. The Y1 is the straight tweezers to help us apply precisely, and the Y5 is the curved tweezers, just to help us isolate and only get one eyelash extension in between our tweezers to be able to apply the extension with our right hand or our dominant hand on top easily. We are doing a round shape on her to give her a more natural look based on her natural eyelashes. So And another good tip is it's okay to move the client's head left and right if you're working on either eye just like that. It does make your life easier if you tilt their head towards the eye you're working on. It doesn't bother the client, but it makes your life a lot easier to be able to see the full eye and the corners. So make sure if you feel somewhat uncomfortable applying on one eye, go ahead and shift the head towards that eye, and it should be easier to work for you. You see how they're starting to look really full? That is our goal. It's our goal to put it on every single one of her natural eyelashes, because that's how they're going to last a lot longer due to the shedding factor of our natural eyelashes. So if you didn't know, we do lose 1 to 5 eyelashes a day just from our natural shedding and growing out new ones and the lash cycle. So the more you put, the longer it's going to last, the happier your customer is going to be. So that's why we want to put it on every single eyelash. Even though they start looking full and pretty, don't stop. Try to aim to put it on every single eyelash. And we are done. You can see the before and after, how natural it is, and we're good to go.